The GetGo Petite Rollator Walker by Nova Medical Products is designed specifically for shorter individuals, providing a comfortable and customizable fit for users with a height range of 4 feet 10 inches to 5 feet 4 inches. This model features Nova's patented Feather Touch locking handbrakes, which offer exceptional control and are easy to engage with minimal hand strength, ensuring safety and ease of use. The walker is equipped with 6-inch durable rubber wheels that provide a smooth and stable ride, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. For added convenience, the GetGo Petite includes a spacious underseat pouch for personal items, as well as a small pocket for essentials like keys and phones. It boasts a foldable design with the innovative lock and load system, allowing the walker to be easily collapsed and securely locked in place for transport or storage. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds and a lightweight frame of approximately 13 pounds, this rollator offers both durability and ease of handling.